Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video it's a bit of a different one for you. So I'm going to tell you how much I spent on these coins. Now the coins I'm talking about are in this jiffy bag below. These are just here to kind of explain to you how I came into contact with the coins in the jiffy bag below it. So there's a guy that I brought a few items from in the past on the Silver Forum, and he's an older gentleman. I'm not sure exactly of his age or anything like that, but you can tell he's an older gentleman just by his extensive collection and the length of time that he's been stacking. So I brought a number of these older Libertads from him in the past. You can see these are over 30 years old, absolutely gorgeous pieces of silver. Much more prefer these over the newer Libertads. They've got this writing around the edge. Really cool pieces of silver. Now they're slightly smaller than the newer Libertads, and that's because they are thicker, but just really nice pieces of silver. Actually quite hard to come by, very collectible. They do hold a premium, but they maintain that premium when you come to sell them. So that's kind of the backstory. That's how I met this guy in the first place. He was selling some newer Libertads. I messaged him privately and said, have you got any of the older ones, because I'm looking for them? And he reached out and said yes, he did. And yeah, I brought quite a few of these from him now. I think I've got about 10 of these in total, so I've got quite a big collection of these older ones, considering they're actually quite difficult to find, especially in the UK. So anyway, that's how I know this gentleman, and he reached out to me again a couple of weeks ago because he knows that I've got this YouTube channel, and he said that it must be harder for you to find different new interesting pieces to keep showcasing. And we had a conversation back and forth, and he said he had some more items for sale if I was interested. So the coins that I've got here to showcase today, I haven't done much research into. We agreed a price. I've done a little bit of research to just double check that was a good price, but like I said, I brought from this gentleman before, so I was fairly confident anyway. Now I'm going to tell you how much I paid first, and then I'm going to go through the coins. And like I said, I haven't done much research into the actual coins, so it will be kind of, I thought it'd be a bit of fun instead of doing it the other way around, where I normally research the stuff before I put on video first and talk about it. I thought it'd be nice to kind of unbox it, tell you how much I paid, and then let those of you out there that have kind of got more knowledge than me on these sorts of items to let me know if I've got a good deal, to kind of let me know the background on these coins. So yeah, let me know. This is kind of for the comments section, really, this video, to kind of let me know if I've got a good deal, first of all, on these coins I'm about to show you, and also just kind of if you can help me with the background on them, if any of them are limited mintages, lower mintages, and all that sort of stuff. So they're older coins. Like I said, it's from a gentleman that's been stacking for many years. The amount I paid in total was £166, and that is including delivery. So let's get straight into the video. Let me know if I've got a good deal. Let me know the background on any of these coins I'm about to showcase now. Got some scissors at the ready. And let's see what we've got. Like I said, this year, 2023, is my year of buying some different pieces, not just trying to get as close to spot as possible this year. I'm going to add things to the stack that I think will be interesting to showcase on this channel, and things I just think are interesting in general for myself to keep me excited about stacking precious metals. Because like I said before, if you keep buying the same stuff, it becomes very mundane, very boring. I think it's very important to keep mixing it up, buying some of these more premium, unusual pieces. Not only does it make a better video for this channel, it also keeps me interested in stacking, keeps me excited about stacking, and it just kind of keeps this journey going, really. So as you can see, really nicely packaged there. We've got, is it 3 coins in total? 4 coins in total. Now you can already see there's a real mix here, really different selection of coins. Let me zoom in a little bit. And like I said, I haven't done a ton of research on these coins. I searched them very quickly on eBay and places like that just to see if I was making sure I was getting a decent deal. But in terms of kind of looking up the coins, I think this is a peace dollar. I think this is a fairly standard coin. For those of you in America, this isn't probably that exciting. 1922, is that a good year? It's a very kind of older year. Let me just focus on that. Looks like a very nice, yeah, piece. It's at the bottom, so I'm guessing this is a peace dollar. Like I said, considering it's 1922, that is a fairly nice condition coin. So that's the first item. Like I said, I paid £166, including delivery, for all 4 coins you're going to see here today. Next item. Also, there's 2 in there, so I've actually got 5 coins. Like I said, I can't remember exactly what I got. He might have chucked this one in as a freebie, you know. I think he's chucked that one in because we didn't speak about this one, so that's interesting. So I literally have no idea what that coin is. Really, really nice looking coin. I'm guessing it's silver. I'm guessing it's silver, but I have no idea what coin this is. I can't see any date on it. Really, really interesting. So let me know. Definitely I need help with this one to identify what coin this is. He's chucked that one in, so that's really nice of him. If you watch these videos, thank you very much. Here we have another, see, I'm not sure, this is a $1, another peace dollar. Okay, so we have 2 peace dollars. Again, really, really nice condition considering the year. Same year as the other one, is that right? Yeah, both the same year. Both really, really good condition. Both really big pieces of silver. Really nice. Let me know in the comments if you know exactly what percentage of silver these are. Really, really nice, big, chunky, heavy coins. So I'll put them over there. Like I said, I need help identifying that one because I didn't pay for that one. That's just, he's included that one, so that's really nice of him. And then we have 2 more coins here. Now, I believe these are very, very collectible. I believe these are hard to come by coins, and these were the ones that we originally started speaking about. So, like I said, I need help identifying these coins because I can't remember exactly what these ones were called, but I believe these are very collectible. Look, they've got the writing around the edge, like the older Libertads. Really, really cool. Look at that. I'm not exactly sure what date this is, but I can tell it's an older coin and it looks in very, very good condition. So again, that's a nice size as well. Very similar size, slightly thicker, would you say? No, similar thickness as well to the peace dollar. And we've got another one of those as well here. That one's a little bit more worn, or is it? No, I don't think it is, you know. I think they're both very, very good condition. This one's actually got a bigger line on the front than this one. So I'm not sure which was the older year. Look at that. Really, really nice detail on these coins. So yeah, like I said, bit of a different video. Normally I come on here and I'm educating, I'm explaining what coins I've got. Whereas I wanted to do it a bit differently this time. I wanted the kind of viewers out there to kind of have a little look. Let me know if I've got a good deal. Let me know if you think these coins are collectible. Like I said, these ones were the ones we originally started discussing. From what he says, they're very collectible. They're harder to get hold of, especially in the UK. These all contain silver. Like I said, I'm not sure about this one. I'm guessing it does. I didn't pay for this one. This one was included. I'm guessing this one contains silver as well. But yeah, let me know the silver content, the rough prices, and did I get a good deal? £166, including delivery. I'll pop on the screen now how much that is in dollars. So yeah, thanks very much for watching my videos as always. I know it's a bit of a different video, but I just thought it'd be quite an interesting one. All premium pieces, all cost me a premium on top of kind of what you would normally pay for a 1 ounce bullion coin, but that's because they've got numismatic value. So these will be put into capsules and added to the long-term stack. So yeah, like I said, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.